Hello everyone, today we are going to solve BPSC 67 prelims test number 3 of Perfection IAS. We are constantly uploading test series of various institutes and I would like to tell you to please like, subscribe and share our channel if you liking our videos. Let's start the test. Question number 1. Who among the following introduced cashew nut, pineapple and tobacco in India? The right answer for this is Portuguese. Portuguese also introduced in India cashew nut, pineapple, tobacco, papaya, custard apple and guava. Francis de Almeida was the first governor of Portuguese and he introduced the policy of blue water. Alfonso de Albuquerque was the second governor of Portuguese who introduced the policy of imperialism. Question number 2. Who among the following English governors of East India Company was expelled by Aurangzeb? The right answer is Sir John Child. Third, during whose reign Sir Thomas Roe have regular attendance at the Mughal court to secure commercial privilege? The answer for B is Jahangir. Jahangir is known for his strict administration of justice. He is known for establishing golden chain of justice at Agra Fort for seekers of royal justice. Jahangir was the one who issued coins jointly in Noor Jahan's name and his own. And Sir Thomas Roe was an ambassador of King James I of England who came to Jahangir court in 1615. Question number 4. Match the following leaders and their center. A. Maulvi Ahmadullah. Mauli Ahmadullah was leader from Faizabad. Rani Lakshmi Bai was leader from Jhansi. Samal was leader from Bagpat and General Bakht Khan from Delhi. So our right answer is A. Question number 5. The South Indian ruler who introduced sericulture as an agro-industry in his kingdom. The right answer for this is Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali was his father. And what is sericulture? It is the production of silkworm for producing silk. Question number 6. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? The answer is B. Only B is correctly matched. Second Afghan War, Lord Lytton followed forward policy. First Afghan War is related to military campaign against next king Dost Muhammad. Third Afghan War is related to Treaty of Rawalpindi. First Anglo-Nepalese War is related to the Battle of Nalapani. Question number 7. Who among the following Governor General formed the Triple Alliance against Tipu Sultan? The right answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Under the Triple Alliance, English, Nizam and Maratha were against Mysore. 8. The ruler of which one of the following states was removed from power by the British on the pretext of misgovernance? The answer is A. Awadh, and it was done by Lord Dalhousie. 9th. The British first came into contact with which one of the following mountain tribes after the grant of Diwani in the year 1760? The answer is Garos. Question 10. My own belief is that Congress is tottering and one of my great ambitions is to assist it to a peaceful death. Who said it? The answer is B. Lord Curzon. 11th. Who signed the Treaty of Perpetual Friendship with Ranjit Singh? The answer is B. Charles T. Metcalfe. By this treaty, Satluj was fixed as the boundary between the British East India Company and Ranjit Singh, and they became friends. 12th. Match the following and choose the correct code. Wood's Dispatch of 1854 is known for setting up of universities India on the model of London. Wood's Dispatch number 2. Hunter Commission 1882. Hunter Commission is known for Hunter Commission reorganization of education and service into 3 branches all India, provincial and subordinate. C. Sir Thomas Raleigh Commission 1902. Recommended measures to improve university teaching. D. 4. Sadler Commission 1917 is 4. Introduction of honors courses. So the right answer is B. 2134. 13th, which of the following Governor General created the Covenanted Civil Services of India, which later came to be known as Indian Civil Services? The right answer is Cornwallis. Cornwallis served from 1786 to 1793. Under his reign, Treaty of Sringapatnam 1792, Permanent Settlement of Bengal 1793, and Europeanization of administrative and introduction of civil services, and Cornwallis Code 1793, which incorporated several judicial reforms and separation of revenue administration and civil jurisdiction, was launched under his reign. 14th, in which session Congress adopted resolution of non-cooperation movement? The answer is B. Nagpur 1920. And this special session was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai. 15th, who among the following suggested the winding up of the Indian National Congress after India attained independence? The answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. He called up for the closing of the INC because he thought that India has attained independence and the main aim of Congress has been completed and now it should be closed. 16th, Lord Mountbatten came to India as Viceroy along with specific instruction to. The answer is B. Keep India united if possible. 17th, who among the following laid the first railroad in India? The answer is D. Lord Dalhousie. 18th, who was a viceroy to be murdered in office? The answer is D. Lord Mayo. Lord Mayo reigned from 1869 to 1872. Important events during his reign is the establishment of Statistical Survey of the India, establishment of Agriculture and Commerce, and opening of Rajkot College in Kathiawar and the Mayo College at Ajmer for political training of Indian princes. Lord Dalhousie reigned from 1848 to 1856. Important events associated with his reign is the introduction of doctrine of lapse and annexation of Satara, introduction of railway of 1853, and laying down of first railway line connecting Bombay and Thana in 1853. Question number 19. Which of the following was not part of the home charges in British India? The answer is B. Charges for civil administration. 20. Cornwallis Code of 1793 separated. The answer is B. Civil administration from judicial administration. 21. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? The answer is A. Land allotted to big feudal landlords, Jagirdar system. Land allotted to revenue farmers or rent collectors is Jamindari system. Land allotted to each peasant with the right to sublet, mortgage, gift or sell is Ryotwari system. Revenue settlement made at village level is Mahalwari system. 22. Patta was a written agreement between the answer is A. Peasants and zamindars providing a record of the amount of rent. 23. The educated middle class in India. The answer is C. Remain neutral to revolt of 1857. 24. Which one of the following commission was associated with the army reorganization after the suppression of revolt of 1857? The answer is B. Peel Commission. Peel Commission was comprised of high-ranking officers of the British and Indian armies and was headed by the Secretary of State of War. 25. Which of the following statements are true about the Ahrar movement 1910? It was militantly nationalistic movement under the leadership of Maulana Muhammad Ali, Hakim Ajmal Khan and Hassan Imam. This is correct. It disliked the loyalist politics of the Aligarh school. Correct. It advocated active participation in the nationalist movement. Correct. It was moved by the modern ideas of self-government. Correct. Hence the answer is E. More than one is correct. Question 26. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was given the title of Raja by. The answer is Akbar II. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in 1772 in Radhanagar in West Bengal. He founded Atmiya Sabha in Calcutta in 1815 to propagate monotheism. What is monotheism? That is belief that there is only one God. And he also launched a movement for the abolition of sati through his journal Sambad Kaumudi. 27th, who started Bombay Mill Hands Association? The answer for 27 is A. N.M. Lokhande. N.M. Lokhande is known as the father of the trade union movement in India. He is remembered not only for ameliorating the working conditions of textile mill heads in 19th century, but also for his courageous initiatives on caste and communal issues. 28. The recognized Bombay Textile Mill Labour Union registered in 1926 was led by. The answer is A. N.M. Joshi. N.M. Joshi was the follower of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Joshi started the All India Trade Union Congress in 1920 with Lala Lajpat Rai, and he was the General Secretary of AITUC from 1925 to 1929 and then from 1940 to 48. 29. Match the following pairs and choose the correct code. All India Trade Union Federation, N.M. Joshi. Chennai Labour Union, B.P. Wardia. Ahmedabad Textile Labour Association, Mahatma Gandhi. Indian National Trade Union Congress, Lala Lajpat Rai. The right answer is for 29 is C. 30. Which of the following pairs are not correctly matched? Mopla Revolt, Kerala, correct. Pabna Revolt, Bengal. Eka Movement, Awadh. Birsa Munda Revolt, Bihar, Jharkhand. So the right answer is more than one of the above, E. Consider the following events, correct chronology. Indigo Revolt was started in 1859 in Bengal. Santhal Rebellion on 30 June 1855 and Deccan Riot 1875. Mutiny of the Sepoys 1857. So the correct answer is D, 2413. Match the following and choose the correct code. List 1, list 2. The Waghera Uprising, Baroda. Ramosi Rising, Western Ghats. Satavandi Revolt, Maharashtra. Temple Entry Revolt, Travancore. The right answer is A. Match the following and choose the correct code. List 1 and list 2. Calcutta Madrasa was established by Warren Hastings. Anglo-Hindu College was established by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and Bethune School, John Eliot. Central Hindu College at Banaras University, Madan Mohan Malviya. The right answer is C. 34th, who founded Arya Mahila Samaj and made first attempt to educate widows? The right answer is A. Pandita Ramabai. Arya Mahila Samaj was founded by Ramabai on 30 November 1882. Its aim was empowering and educating each woman for leading a dignified life. The main objective of the society was to create awareness about women's education and the negative results of child marriage. 35th, which of the following events happened in the year 1923? Ahmedabad Mill Strike happened in 1918. Borsad Satyagraha happened in 1922 to 23. Nagpur Flag Satyagraha happened in 1923 against ban of Congress flag. Revival of Muslim League 1924. So the right answer is B and C. More than one of the above. 36th, who among the following has translated Meghdutam? The right answer is C. Horace Heman Wilson. Meghdutam was translated by Horace Heman Wilson and it is a poem that was written by Kalidas. 37th, who among the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita into English? The right answer is B. Charles Wilkins. Charles Wilkins was also founding member of the Asiatic Society. 38. Correct chronology sequence of the formation of the given organization. The right answer is A. Brahma Samaj was founded in 1828 by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Arya Samaj was founded by Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati on 10 April 1875 and Madras Mahajan Sabha was established in May 1884 by M. V. Raghava Carrier, A. Subramaniam Ariyar and P. Andacharulu. 39. Which of the following Muslim leaders was not one of the founding fathers of All India Muslim League 1906? The answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Aga Khan, Nawab Salimullah of Dhaka and Nawab Mohin ul Mulk were the founders of All India Muslim League in 1906. The principal objective of the party was to foster and protect Muslim civil rights. On 14th August 1947, the League was dissolved. 40. During the Indian freedom struggle, who among the following proposed that Swaraj should be defined as complete independence free from all foreign control? The answer is B. Maulana Hazrat Mohani. 41. Which of the following paper was essentially the mouthpiece of the policy of liberals? The right answer is B. Leader. Leader newspaper was essentially the mouthpiece of the policy of liberals. It was one of the most influential English language newspaper in India during British Raj. It was founded by Madan Mohan Malviya. The paper was and it used to be published in Allahabad. Under C.Y. Chintamani, a dynamic editor from 1909 to 1934, it acquired a large leadership in North India. Who was the first woman graduate of Calcutta University to address INC session of 1890? The answer is Kadambani Gangli. She was the first woman in British Empire to complete graduation and she was also the first woman graduate from Calcutta University. She was first lady doctor of India and she was the first doctor of Bengal and first woman delegate to address the INC. 43. The first venture of Gandhi in all India politics was the right answer is B. Rowlatt Satyagraha. 44. The result of the Pune Pact was that the number of seats reserved for the depressed classes out of general electorate seat was the right answer is B. Increased. Pune Pact was an agreement between Madan Mohan Malviya and B.R. Ambedkar on behalf of upper caste Hindu leaders and depressed classes. The pact was made on 24 September 1932 at Yerwada Central Jail in Pune. 45. On which date Gandhiji broke salt law? The answer is 45C, 6th April 1930. 46. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? List 1, List 2. Champaran Satyagraha, first civil disobedience. Kheda Satyagraha, first non-cooperation. Ahmedabad Mill Strike, first hunger strike. Satyagraha against Rowlatt Act, first mass strike. So E. None of them is correctly matched. 47. Who among the following drafted the Resolution of Fundamental Rights from the Karachi session of Congress in 1931? The right answer is B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Karachi session of the Congress was presided by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 48. The first effort at drafting a Dominion status constitution for India was made in response to the answer is C. Simon Commission. 49. Who among the following was the president of the All India States People Conference in 1939? The right answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. The All India State People Conference was a political movement in the princely states of the British Raj, which were variously called as the Praja Mandals or Lok Parishads. The first session of this organization was held in Bombay in December 1927. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Rajkumar Shukla, Champaran Satyagraha, Ambalal Sarabhai, Ahmedabad Mill Strike, Indulal Yagnik, Kheda Satyagraha, Vallabhbhai Patel, Bardoli Satyagraha. Only B is correctly matched. 59. The doctrine of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by the work of. The answer is B. Ruskin, Tolstoy and Thoreau. 52. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Wavell Plan 1945, Cabinet Mission Plan 1946, August Offer 1940, Cripps Mission 1942. The right answer for 52 is C. August Offer 1940 is correctly matched. 53. During whose tenure as the Viceroy of India were the great martyrs Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev hanged? The right answer is B. Lord Irwin. Following events took place during the reign of Lord Irwin. Number 1. Visit of Simon Commission. 2. Murders of Saunders. 3rd. Dandi March. And 4th. Deepavali Declaration. 54. Arrange the following events in chronological order. Dandi March happened in 1930. Simla Pact 1945. Death of Tilak 1920. And Champaran Satyagraha 1917. So our right answer is D. 4312. 55. Who among the following was the leader of the society popularly known as Red Shirt? The right answer is B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 56. With which one of the following movement is the slogan Do or Die associated? The right answer is D. Quit India movement. Match the following and choose the correct code. Demand for Pakistan Muslim League 1940. Subhash Chandra Bose as Congress President 1938. Haripura session. Decision to celebrate 26 January as the Independence Day 1929. Lahore session. Resignation of Congress ministers 1939. Congress minister resigned in 1939 as a protest against Viceroy Lord Linlithgow's action of declaring India to be a belligerent in the Second World War without consulting the Indian people. So our right answer is 57B. 4321. 58. Match the following and choose the correct code. List 1 organization, list 2 founder. British India Society was founded by William Adam. East India Association by Dadabhai Naoroji. Indian Society by A.M. Bose, and Indian League by Sisir Kumar Ghosh. So our right answer is A. 59. With reference to modern Indian history, the Azamgarh proclamation is related to which of the following events? The right answer is C. Revolt of 1857. 60. A massive 3-volume work, A History of British India, was published by. The right answer is B. James Mill. 61. With reference to modern Indian history, sunset law is related to which of the following? The right answer is C. Permanent settlement. 62. In 1600, the East India Company acquired a charter from the ruler of England, Queen Elizabeth I. What did the charter imply? The right answer is C. East India Company got the sole right to trade with the East in Britain. 63. Which of the following statements are correct about A.O. Hume? The right answer is E. All the options are correct. 64. The policy of paramountcy was initiated under the governorship of which of the following? The right answer is C. Lord Hastings. Under the policy of paramountcy, the company claimed that its authority was paramount or supreme, hence its power was greater than that of Indian state. 65. Direct Action Day on 16th August 1946 was related to which of the following? The right answer is A. Open demand of formation of a separate Muslim nation by any means. 66. Which of the following were proposed by the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946? The right answer is D. Federal structure to maintain national unity while conceding regional autonomy. 67th. With respect of Swadesh Bandhav Samiti set up during the Swadesh movement, which of the following statements are correct? The right answer is C. It was able to generate a mass following predominantly among the Muslim peasantry of the region. It was set up by Aswani Kumar Dutt. It was active in Barisal. It was set up only to spread the message of Swadeshi to the people. It is not correct. Message of Swadeshi as well as Swadeshi songs. 68. With reference to the Deepavali declaration issued by Lord Irwin in 1929, which of the following statement is correct? The right answer is A. It was a declaration that would grant India dominion status in due course. 69. Which of the following statements are true regarding the Quit India movement? The right answer is B. Parallel governments were established at Balia and Tamluk. 70. With reference to the Indigo Revolt, which of the following statements are correct? The right answer is E. Only option A and C is correct, hence the answer is E, more than one of the above. It happened in Bengal. It was a result of high taxation on indigo cultivation. It was not high taxation. It was against the terms imposed by European planters. 71. In which of the following countries Subhash Chandra Bose organized the Tiger Legion? The right answer is B. Germany. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Tiger Legion in 1941. The Indian Legion or the Free India Legion was a military unit which was constituted during the time of World War II. 72. Arrange the following of R.M. Roy in chronology order in choose the correct code and choose the correct code. Anti-Sati struggle happened in 1818. Establishment of Vedanta College 1814. Foundation of Atmiya Sabha 1814 and Vedanta College 1825. Foundation of Brahma Samaj, 1828. So the correct chronology will be A, 3124. 73. Which of the following is correct about Raja Ram Mohan Roy? The right answer is A. He supported polytheism. Is incorrect. He supported monotheism. He was in favor of social reforms and wanted to establish a new religion. No, he never wanted to establish a new religion. He did not support the revolution of Naples and Spanish America. He supported the revolution of Naples and Spanish America. 74. Which of the following were not a social agenda of Pratna Samaj? The right answer is D. Opposition to idol worship. 75. Which of the following are correct about Young Bengal movement? The right answer is A. Its radical ideas led to troubles for founder. 76. Consider the statements and identify the personality X. The right answer is C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was a principal of Sanskrit College. He worked in support of widow remarriage. He founded the Bethune School at Calcutta. He was government inspector of schools. 77. Match the following pairs and choose the correct code. Book editor: Darpan Balshastri Jambekar, संवाद कौमुदी राम मोहन रॉय, सुधारक गोपाल गणेश अगरकर, तत्वबोधिनी पत्रिका देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर. So the right answer is 77B. 78. In which year Muzaffarpur bomb case happened? The right answer is D. 1908. On 30 April 1908, youth Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on a carriage of Chief Presidency Magistrate Kingsford of Calcutta in Muzaffarpur. Unfortunately, 2 women travelling in it got killed. Chaki committed suicide when caught. On 11th August 1908, the revolutionary Khudiram Bose was hanged by the British. 79. Paramhans Mandalis existed in Dash and were interested in Dash. The right answer is C. Paramhans Mandalis existed in Maharashtra and were interested in breaking caste rules. 80. Kangadi Gurukul was started at Dash in 1902 by Dash to import education in traditional framework. The right answer is A. Gurukul Kangri Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar was founded on 4 March 1908 by Swami Shraddhanand Ji. Its aim was to revive the ancient Indian Gurukul system of education. Match the following and choose the correct code. Seva Sadan by Ramji M. Malabari, Dharma Sabha Radhakant Dev, and Dev Samaj Shiv Narayan Agnihotri, Radha Swami Movement Shiv Dayal Sahib. So the right answer is 81B. 82. In which year Jan Gan Man was sung for the first time? The right answer is B. 1911. Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of the Congress. It was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. 83. Which of the following are not true about the servants of the India Society? It was founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale before self-respect movement by E.V. Ramaswamy Nakar. True. Its aim was to train national missionaries for the service to India. Correct. It worked to promote interest of Indian people either by constitutional or unconstitutional means. This is not correct. So this will be the answer. The society worked in the fields of the promotion of education, removal of untouchability, promotion of sanitation and healthcare, etc. D. Srinivas Shastri took over president after death of the Gokhale. This is correct. So C will be our right answer. 84. Which of the following movement are against Brahmanical anti-Brahmin? The right answer is the answer is more than one of the above, as all these movements are related against Brahman and these are anti-Brahman. 85. On which date first roundtable conference was inaugurated in London? The right answer is D. 12 November 1930. 86. Pledge movement was launched by Dash to take pledge against child marriage. The right answer is B. Indian Social Conference. Titomir movement was started in. The right answer is A. Bengal. 88. Quit India movement resolution was passed at. The right answer is A. Gwalior Tank, Bombay. 89. Akali movement led to. The right answer is more than one of the above, as the liberation of Sikh Gurudwaras from the control of corrupt Udasi Mahant is correct. B. Non-violent non-cooperation movement, this is correct. Sikh Gurudwara Act was passed in 1925, this is correct. This is a Akali movement led to a communal movement is wrong, because it is a Gurudwara reform movement. Arrange the following in chronological order of their inception and choose the correct code. Farazi movement 1819, Ahmadiyya movement 1889, Aligarh movement 1875, Deoband school movement 1866. So the right answer is C. Which of the following is are correct in context of separate electorates introduced by Indian Council Act 1909? D is the right answer. 92. Which of the following are not true about Deoband school? C. It was in favor of jihad against Hindus is correct. 93. The first Englishman to preside over a Congress session was. The right answer is A. George Yule. 94. Arrange the following acts in order of their enactment and choose the correct code. 94. The right answer is B. 95. The resolution of Swadeshi was adopted in which session of the Congress? The right answer is B. Calcutta session of 1906. 96. Who fought as a unit in Second Carnatic War? The right answer is B. Muzaffar Jung, Chanda Sahib, the French. 97. Which of the following statements are not true about First Carnatic War? The right answer is B. Under the treaty, French got their territories back in Africa. The right answer is French got their territories back in North America, not Africa. 98. Who was the Home Minister in Provincial Government of India in Kabul? The right answer is A. Abdullah Sindhi. 99. Why English succeeded and France failed in India? The right answer is E. All options are correct. More than one of the above. 100. The All India Kisan Sabha was founded by whom? The right answer is B. Sahajanand Saraswati. All India Kisan Sabha was an important peasant movement formed by Sahajanand Saraswati at the Lucknow session of the Indian National Congress in 1936. 101. Who among the following was accused of instigating Chapekar brothers? The right answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 102. Who was the author of Neel Darpan? The right answer is D. Dinbandhu Mitra. 103. Treaty of Seringapatam had which of the following conditions? The right answer is A. Half of Mysore territory was taken over by visitors. Half of Mysore territory was taken over by victors. 104. Which of the following is also known as Magna Carta of Indian education? A. Wood's Dispatch. 105. In which year General Committee of Public Instruction was replaced by a Council of Education? The right answer is B. 1841. 106. Which of the following committee during British India were related to education? The right answer is option A. Sargent Plan and Hartog Plan. Right answer is more than one of the above. E. More than one of the above is correct. 107. In the year 1857, universities were not set up in which among the following places? The right answer is D. Delhi. In the year 1857, universities were set up in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras, not Delhi. 108. Sadler Commission was appointed mainly to investigate the problems of which among the following universities? The right answer is B. Calcutta University. 109. Which among the following act provided for the Public Service Commission in India for the first time? The right answer is A. Government of India Act 1919. 110. Who among the following Viceroys of India appointed Atchison Commission? Atchison Commission was appointed by 110. The answer is D. Lord Dufferin. 111. Who among the following act made provision for setting up joint public service commission for two or more provinces? The right answer is B. Government of India Act 1935. 112. Who among the following was the first registered trade union of the India? The right answer is C. Madras Labour Union. 113. Where did the Communist Party of India 1920 was established by M.N. Roy? The right answer is D. Tashkent. To overthrow British rule in India, the Communist Party of India (CPI) was founded by Manabendra Nath Roy on 17 October 1920 at Tashkent. 114. The Quit India movement was supported by. The right answer is none of them. 115. The Congress Socialist Party was founded in which year? The right answer is A. 1934. 116. Who among the following was associated with foundation of Congress Socialist Party? The right answer is more than one of the above, as Jayaprakash Narayan and Acharya Narendra Dev are associated. CSP, it was a left-wing group within the Congress. It was formed with Acharya Narendra Dev as the president and Jayaprakash Narayan as the general secretary in 1934. 117. The first All India Conference of Forward Bloc was held in which among the following places? The right answer is A. Nagpur. 118. Who among the following personalities founded the Indian National Social Conference in 1887? The right answer is M.G. Ranade and Raghunath Rao. So more than above will be the right answer. 119. Who was the founder of Madras Hindu Association in 1892? The right answer is B. Veerasalingam Pantalu. 120. Which of the following leaders were associated with Bharat Dharma Mahamandal 1902? The right answer is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. 121. Goa was captured by Albuquerque from ruler of which among the following states? The right answer is A. Bijapur. 122. Which Portuguese viceroy followed the blue water policy in India? The right answer is B. Francisco de Almeida. 123. Which of the following Portuguese prince was nicknamed Navigator? The right answer is B. Prince Henry. 124. Who among the following played a dominant role in Vaikom Satyagraha 1924-25? The right answer is B. K. Kelappan. 125. Which among the following Governor General was called as the Liberator of India Press? The right answer is B. Sir Charles Metcalfe. 126. Who among the following founded the Indian Society of Oriental Art to revive the ancient art tradition of India? The right answer is A. 127. Which among the following is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? The right answer is D. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is a poem written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Sanskrit in 1870. 128. Which among the following organization published the journal called The Indian Sociologist? The right answer is A. India House. 129. What was the name of the first newspaper to announce the partition of Bengal on 6 July 1905? The right answer is B. Sanjeevani. It was the first newspaper to announce the partition of Bengal on 1905. It also depicted the condition of the workers associated with tea plantations in Assam. 130. New India and Commonwealth newspapers were started by. The right answer is C. Annie Besant. 131. Who were the first to start a joint stock company to trade with India? The right answer is A. Dutch. 132. Arrange this in chronological order and choose the correct code. Treaty of Mangalore 1784, Treaty of Paris 1763, Treaty of Madras 1769, and Third Battle of Panipat 1761. So the correct code will be C. 4231. 133. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? List 1, list 2. The right answer is D. Holkar Indore. Gaikwad is related to Baroda, Bhonsle Nagpur, and Peshwa Pune, not Gwalior. 134. Who was leading Maratha army in First Anglo-Maratha War? The right answer is D. Shinde. Consider the following statement about the Treaty X. It was signed between Bajirao II and English. Bajirao surrendered city of Surat, gave up all claims for Chauth on the Nizam's dominions. The right answer is 135B. Treaty of Baisai. 136. Sindh accepted subsidiary alliance in Dash under Governor Generalship of. The right answer is B. 1839 Auckland. What is the meaning of misl? The right answer. Misl means equal or alike, and it also means state. So more than above will be the right answer. 138. The core of the safety valve thesis rests on the assumption that. The right answer is A. A violent anti-colonial revolution was bound to occur unless a constitutional platform like Congress was founded. 139. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Governor General and Policy. The right answer is 139A. Warren Hastings ring fence. Lord Wellesley is related to subsidiary alliance. Robert Clive. The lousy doctrine of lapse. 140. Arrange in chronological order and choose the correct code. The right answer is B. 1342. Treaty of Yandabu was 1826. Treaty of Lhasa 1904. Treaty of Gandamak 1879. Durand Line 1893. What was the forward policy of Auckland? The answer is annex the neighboring countries. This is correct. Make treaty with neighboring countries. Correct. It was mainly used in Afghan relation. Correct. So the answer is more than one of the above. 142. Under whose governor generalship Northwest Frontier Province was created? The right answer is A. Lord Curzon. 143. Which state were not annexed under the doctrine of lapse? The right answer is C. Bharatpur. The East India Company took over the princely state of Satara in 1848, Jaipur and Sambalpur in 1849, Udaipur in 1852, Jhansi 1853, Nagpur 1854, tore an Arcot in 1855 under the terms of the doctrine of lapse. Oath in 1856. It was last to be annexed. 144. In context of revolt of 1857, Mangal Pandey belonged to which Bengal native infantry? The right answer is B. 34th. 145. Which of the following are not correct? B. S.N. Banerjee resigned from Congress in 1925 is not correct. He resigned from Congress in 1918. 146. English got zamindari of which region as result of Battle of Plassey? The right answer is C. 24 Parganas. 147. Which ruler decided to abolish duties altogether in order to provide level playing field to Indian with respect to English merchants? The right answer is C. Mir Kazim. 148. According to Treaty of Allahabad, which of the following are correctly matched? The right answer is C. 26 lakh pension to Mughal emperor for ceding the Diwani right. 149. Which British officer suppressed the revolt of 1857 in Jhansi? The right answer is C. Hargrose. 150. When was Asiatic Society of Bengal established? The right answer is B. 15 January 1784. Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded by Sir William Jones under the name of Asiatic Society. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this session.